Okay, welcome back mga scalper. Another technical analysis for BTC and wag na nga nating patagalin pa. Daily time frame is isang red candle. Nagpo-form siya ng doji candle and meron pa tayong more than 1 hour to close this candle. Silipin natin yung possible scenario sa lower time frame. So first, kung makikita natin sa 4 hours time frame natin, is after niyang mag-break sa symmetrical triangle natin, currently nire-respect niya yung support area ng symmetrical triangle natin. So currently, meron tayong another higher low, so meaning nasa uptrend pa rin yung momentum natin. It's crucial this red line or horizontal line for breaking this possible is mag-change tayo ng bias to downtrend if magkakaroon ng candle na mag-close here. And since currently wala pa namang mga lower high na sign ng weakness ng market, so this is only a pullback if i-respect ni BTC to, and aakyat ulit dito sa resistance natin. Possible continuation lang to ng uptrend, but again, tingnan nyo pa din kung magkakaroon tayo ng candle na magbe-break below this support area for possible change bias natin for BTC.